Yo guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your boy Ritik, Ramaiya, killing it as always. This is here for you, and today I'm gonna talk about what is an IPO. What happens is that when you start a company or you are a business owner of a particular company, you start the company with, let's say, $5,000. Now your company progresses their way further and goes up to a profit of $10,000. Now you have $10,000 in your hand, but you want to increase your sales. When you want to increase your sales, you need to have particular stock with you. In order to have stock with you, you need to buy some few quantities of other stocks. Now the question comes here: how do I get money for the other stock to increase my initial revenue? What business owners do, they list their companies on the stock market, which becomes a public limited company. Now when they list their companies for the first time on the stock market, that's considered as an IPO. The long form of IPO is basically initial public offering. So what IPO is, that basically you are asking for money from the investors. Now who are these investors? The investors are people who are going to buy your stock or share listed on the stock market. Buy a particular share of your company, they are putting their money into your company. Now that money is automatically coming into your pocket. What you have to do is you have to buy the stock with their money, get your profit, and give them some dividend. Now some profit given to them is always called dividend. So how does an IPO help you? IPO helps you by gaining more and more capital to your company, so that you can make your way further. Instead of using your own money, you are using the public's money to make profit. So this is the basic concept of an IPO, which is the initial public offering. Now I hope you guys like, share and subscribe to the YouTube channel below, which makes me always motivated and keeps me going on. So I hope to see all of you likes, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is your boy Ritik Ramaiya. Thank you. I will soon be posting a new video.